Tired of remembering to send messages at the perfect time? We're about to unlock a game-changing automation superpower scheduling WhatsApp messages with Aisensy and Pabbly Connect. First, you'll need accounts with both Aisensy and Pabbly Connect. Head over to Aisensy and Pabbly.com to sign up. If you haven't already, Aisensy will be our WhatsApp API provider, and Pabbly Connect will orchestrate the entire scheduling process. Once you're logged into Pabbly Connect, click the Create Workflow button. Give your workflow a descriptive name, like scheduled WhatsApp messages, and click Create. Now for the trigger, search for Schedule in the Trigger app search bar and select it. This tells Pabbly Connect when to kick off the automation. Configure the schedule trigger, choose the frequency, maybe daily, weekly, or monthly, and set the specific time do you want the message to be sent. This is where the magic happens. Save the trigger settings. Next, we need to add an action. Search for Aisensy in the Action app search bar and select it. This connects Pabbly Connect to your Aisensy account. Choose the Send WhatsApp Message action. You'll likely need to connect your Aisensy account to Pabbly Connect. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. Now, fill in the details. Enter the recipient's phone number in the correct format, including the country code in the message content field. Type the message you want to send. You can even use Pabbly Connect's mapping feature to personalize messages using data from other apps. Once you're satisfied, click Save. Finally, toggle the workflow switch from off to on, and that's it. Pabbly Connect will now automatically send your message through Aisensy at the scheduled time. You've just unlocked the power of scheduled messaging. Experiment with different schedules and message content to supercharge your communication. Don't forget to subscribe for more automation tips and tricks.